C-17, Stuart, Florida.
This reliable airlifter combines the intercontinental cargo carrying capability of much larger aircraft, such as the C-5 Galaxy, with the short field landing potential of the much smaller C-130 Hercules. The C-17 is powered by 4 Pratt & Whitney F-117 engines, and they're in fact the same power plants used on the Boeing 757 airliner. Each engine delivers over 40,000 pounds of thrust, and this amount of thrust allows the Globemaster 3 to carry over 170,000 pounds of cargo for an outstanding range of up to 2,400 nautical miles without the need